Welcome to my YouTube channel Daily English.
Oscar, your mother sent me to ask you if you're ready to. Oscar, what happened? Hello, Dad. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I can't do it. What do you mean you can't do it? Oscar, everyone is waiting for you. And why haven't you gotten dressed? You're getting married in 1 hour. I know. Today's my wedding, but I'm scared, Dad. I don't know what to do. Oh, my boy. I think we need to talk about what's happening. Let's see. Alright, tell me. What's happening? Why are you so scared? Dad, I'm scared. I know I love Clara. I love her so much. She's the love of my life. Okay, you love Clara. We all know that, son. You are one of the cutest couples. Then what is the matter? If you are so sure you love her, why are you scared? What's going on? That's the thing. I love her so much that I want her to be happy. The happiest woman. I want to make her happy. But I'm not sure if I'm the right one. What if I mess it up? I'm in my 20s. Is it still too early to get married? Am I making a mistake? I'm about to start my own family. Children, a new house, a dog. Oh, damn. Okay, stop that now. Oscar, what you're feeling now is something very normal, son. You just got cold feet. That's it. I don't think it's gamophobia. Gamophobia? What is that? Am I sick? Or something like that? Of course not. Gamophobia is a fear of commitment or marriage. But that's not your case. I told you, you just got cold feet, and that's normal. You feel too frightened to do something that you had planned to do, something important. But let me tell you something. I also got cold feet before getting married. Seriously? But you and Mom, you have an awesome marriage life. You love each other so much that I always dreamed of having a marriage like yours. Well, we've been together for more than 30 years. It hasn't been easy, but we love each other. But as I was telling you, I was also frightened one day before getting married. My dad came to me and talked to me back then, and he gave me some tips about marriage. And now I will tell you the same things he told me back then, also my experience. The first thing you should understand is that marriage is not easy. It's not perfect. You will have arguments many times, but you will have to talk about those problems. Because that's the key to have a good marriage. Communication. You understand? I understand. Clara and I always try to talk when something bothers us. That's great. Now that you live with her, those arguments will probably more often. But if you learn how to communicate well, you won't have any problem solving that issue. With love and good communication, I'm sure you'll have a great relationship, son. That's it? Is that all I have to do to have a perfect marriage like yours? Well, there are some other things you should do if you want to improve your relationship. For example, you can tell your spouse that you're thankful for having her in your life. Appreciate each other. your relationship, your family, and your lives together, always. Show gratitude when your partner cooks dinner, helps the kids with their homework, or does the grocery shopping. Take a few minutes each evening to tell each other at least one thing you appreciated that day. That will help you have a better relationship, and your partner will feel you really appreciate her. I like that. I love Clara so much. I tell her I love her every day, and that I'm so lucky. Well, keep doing that then. Also, make time for you as a couple. With work and family responsibilities, it can be easy to lose the romance factor. Plan special dates, either to go out or just stay at home, but always spend time together. If you have children, send them on a play date while you relax, talk, and enjoy each other's company. Many people believe that because they have children, they have to forget about romance. And that's not true. You are still husband and wife, and you have to show your love. But what is also so important is to plan for some personal time, just for yourself. Alone time is just as important as couple time. Everyone needs time to recharge, think, or just enjoy personal interests. That time is often lost when you're married. Especially if you have kids. Go out with friends, take a class, or do volunteer work. Whatever you find enriching, when you're back together with your spouse, you'll appreciate each other even more. That kind of makes sense. We have talked about that, and we have our own friends too. That's good. Also, you need to understand that it's okay to disagree. You won't agree on everything, but it is important to be fair and respectful during disagreements. Listen to your spouse's point of view. Try not to get angry, and don't let yourself become too frustrated. Walk away and calm down if you need to. Then, discuss the problem again. Compromise on problems so that you both give a little. Remember that now you are one. And you have to solve your problems as a couple. Oh, also build trust. The more you engage in these destructive activities, the more likely you are to divorce. You have to take responsibility for your actions. Always, it's very important. Do not blame just your wife when you fight, because you probably has responsibility too. And last but not least, you should learn to forgive. That's something really important. Everyone makes mistakes. Your spouse may hurt your feelings or do something that upsets you. And that may make you angry, even furious, but it's important to deal with your feelings. Let them go and move on. Don't keep bringing up the past. It doesn't work. Remember to remain committed to your spouse, your family, and the life that you have built together. Support each other emotionally and in everyday ways. Support your spouse. You, your spouse, and your relationship may grow and change with the time. That's for sure. But these ideas can help your marriage stay successful over the years, like your mom and me. Wow, you know a lot. Thank you so much, Dad. I think I feel much better now. Thank you. Remember, I will always be here for you, my son. And now, get up and get ready to get married. You're right, Dad. I will get dressed right now. I will be the best husband in the world. You mean the second best husband? Because I am the best one.
Thanks for watching my video and join us. Please like, share and comments on my video. Thank you.